Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. This is part 2 of thyroid testing. In this part, we'll discuss about the testing for autoimmune thyroid problem. The testing is called thyroid antibody test. These are the group of tests that test the antibodies against the thyroid. There are two types of antibodies that usually we check. The first one is TPO antibodies, which is thyroid peroxidase antibodies. The other one is TG antibodies, which is thyroglobulin antibodies. These are the tests that helps us evaluate if there is any autoimmune condition that's affecting your thyroid. The first test is TPO antibodies. TPO is an enzyme that is involved in the synthesis of thyroid hormone. TPO antibody destroys the cell of thyroid gland, causes you to have autoimmune thyroid problem or symptoms of low thyroid. The next one is thyroglobulin antibody. TG or thyroglobulin is a protein that acts as a substrate for the synthesis of thyroid hormone. Thyroglobulin antibody thus prevents the formation of thyroid hormone, again causing an autoimmune thyroid problem and giving you symptoms of low thyroid. A common type of autoimmune problem are Hashimoto and Graves. So these two tests helps your provider differentiate if you are having autoimmune thyroid problem or a problem with your actual thyroid gland. If you are suffering from any symptoms of low thyroid, make sure you ask your provider to do your complete thyroid testing to get a full picture of your thyroid gland and see what type of thyroid issue you are having. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.